governors from West Pokot, Turkana, Samburu, Laikipia, Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet. We are inviting you for a meeting here tomorrow at 8:30 to discuss the security situation in that part of the country. And going forward, we are going to work together, because it cannot be that governors have no say in security matters, yet they affect their own people. You know, this is a new paradigm shift in our governance, that we want a concerted effort by all leaders. And if we do, I think things will get better. So governors from those counties will invite you for a meeting with our officers on the ground who are handling security. There is the acting inspector general, the commandant GSU, so that we get to agree what we do in that part of the country that is causing a lot of concern. So I just wanted to mention that it is a new policy direction, that a continuous engagement between the county